Go.
Okay, just begin.
The snow glows white on the mountain tonight, not a footprint to be seen. A kingdom of isolation, and it looks like I'm the queen. The wind is we both get a point.
Let's just do the whole song, even if we're laughing.
Okay. The wind is howling like this swirling storm inside. Couldn't keep it in, heaven knows I'm tried. Don't let them in, don't let them see. Be the good girl you always had to be. Conceal your fear, don't let them know. Well, now they know. Let it go, let it go. Can't hold it back anymore. Let it go, let it go. Turn away and slam the door. I don't care what they're going to say. Let the storm rage on. The cold never bothered me anyway. It's funny how in a distance makes everything seem small. The fears that once controlled me can't get to me at all. It's time to see what I can do to test the limits and break through. No right, no wrong, no rules for me. I'm free. Let it go, let it go. Can't hold it back anymore. Let it go, let it go. Turn away and slam the door. I don't care what. Here I stand, and here I am. Let the storm rage on.
Okay, I have to take a break. Oh my gosh, listen to my voice. Oh my gosh, this is my normal voice. How do we sound, Mama?
You sound.
Okay, bye guys. We're just gonna listen to it. Bye.